Imagine ordering a fragile gift online and it arrives intact, in order, with no pieces missing. That is exactly what the Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, does for your data. In the next 2 minutes you will learn what TCP is, why it sits in the transport layer, and the 4 tricks it uses to guarantee every byte arrives correctly. The Internet stack has 4 common layers: link, network, transport, application. TCP lives in the transport layer, shielding applications from network messiness. Before data flows, both ends exchange 3 short messages called the three-way handshake. Your computer sends a sync segment. The server replies sync ACK. You answer with an ACK. And the logical pipe is open. Let us walk through a tiny file transfer. Your laptop wants to send a photo of 2 kilobytes. It breaks the photo into 4 500-byte segments, numbers them 1, 2, 3, 4, and sends the first. The server receives segment 1 and echoes back an ACK with the next expected number, 2. Only after that ACK arrives does your laptop send segment 2, so lost pieces are spotted instantly. Suppose the ACK for segment 2 never arrives. After a short timer your laptop retransmits that same segment, making sure nothing is permanently lost. Now picture the server running low on buffer space. It tells your laptop, my window is now 2 segments big. Your laptop obeys and stops after 2 segments, preventing overflow. Next, picture many users sharing the same link. TCP starts with a small congestion window of 1 segment. If that gets acknowledged, it doubles to 2, then 4, then 8, probing gently for spare capacity. When a router drops a segment, TCP sees duplicate ACKs or a timeout, halves the congestion window, then resumes cautious growth. This sawtooth keeps the network stable yet fast. After the last segment is ACKed, either side can send a finished segment to tear the connection down politely, releasing memory and port numbers. So TCP guarantees order, reliability, flow control, and congestion fairness through a handshake, acknowledgments, sliding windows, and a self-throttling rate. Every time you stream, browse, or email, TCP is the quiet courier making sure every digital package arrives complete and on time. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.